I went to Washington. Harold Prince, who was the producer, was a friend of mine. And we went down there to look at the first performance of this Jewish musical. And the fact that it turned out to be so deep, so powerful, I remember I wept for days. And I loved it. And I loved Zero. And I loved Jerome Robbins. And I'll never forget it. And then I saw it subsequently many times. And I thought one day I might play Tevye. It was sort of in my mind. But then the time I was doing other things. So when Zalman Mlotek called me about being in it, playing Tevye, or directing it, I said, I think I'm too long in the tooth to play Tevye. This is a couple of years ago, and I was. But I think I'd like to direct it. I don't know yet. I don't speak Yiddish. But I think I know what this play is about. And I love the material. So I woke up in the morning and I said, I'll do it. And it was one of the joys of my life.
Why do you think it took off, 2018, Fiddler in the Roof in Yiddish?
I think it's about what was going on in the world. It was so much like that. And the fact that it's still here, they're still coming after us or coming after other people, but coming. And the lessons are not learned. So I think it had a feeling of being very current. And then we had such an amazing cast. One of the greatest Tevyes ever, Steven Skybell.